Good morning. I'm Keith Johnson, Deputy Chief Special Operations, Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department. We're here at our Fire and Rescue Academy located on West Ox Road here in Fairfax. And this is where we have our Unified Command Post operating out of the Fire and Rescue Academy. Our Unified Command Post is made up of police, fire, and other agencies that are handling the Operation Enduring Collaboration tornado event that occurred within Fairfax County on Monday. We're day 3 into the event right now. Today is Wednesday, and we're managing all of our operational needs and resources from this location. Our Unified Command Post means, a unified fashion means that it's not just a fire or police event, it's an event that requires resources from throughout the county, meaning our fire, police, public works, health department, and various other agencies that may have an interest in mitigating the event. All those players come here at the Unified Command Post in a unified fashion to make decisions that will help meet our operational objectives through our strategy and tactics to achieve those objectives and make the incident get better. We work in 12-hour operational periods, meaning that we work from 8 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock at night as far as an operational period. And at that point we're transitioning now, we're building our operational plan for the next operational period. So while we're still handling the incidents, here at the Unified Command Post, we're actually directing our units that are on the ground to handle the various events that are occurring within this tornado event. We're also simultaneously planning for the next operational period, which will occur tonight at 8 o'clock, when a new set of units and a new set of personnel will come in to handle the event for the next operational period. And they will do the same thing tonight when they come in, and we may come back the next morning and begin another operational period. And this will continue as long as the incident needs are ongoing. Certainly at some point we'll transition into a recovery phase from an operational phase, meaning that we're handling incidents, we're handling fires, we're handling emergencies, hazmat incidents, calls for police assistance, and things of that nature. But at some point we'll simultaneously begin to transition to a recovery phase where we'll manage the event cleanup, getting businesses restored to service, getting buildings condemned, or getting structural assessments done on these buildings so people can begin to reoccupy the areas that they were evacuated from and begin to get their lives back to normal.